Good evening to each and everyone. This is Trixie Roa, representing Municipality of Ipil, Province of Zamboanga, Sibugan.
Kinsa mabangga siya ma-crown. Sound!
We are the writers of our own stories and the victors of our own success. Standing in front of you is a 19-year-old stunner. My name is Vel Casas, proud and honored to represent the Asia's Latin city, Ciudad
de Manila. Number 2, from Licomo, Bel Casas.
Okay lang. O, talaga. Wala ka diyan. Laban. Depende.
Waiting up. With a short 3-day short. Davao City!
Ala! Panalo!
Candidate number 3.
Candidate.
Jane Elnas from Calle Claro. Well, candidate number 3.
Baugat si
Is Asim Kilik number 3.
Dag Aslum girl ng Tambuchu.
Standing before you is a girl with a mind, lady with a good attitude, and women with a heart. This is Chana Billones, proudly and represent Taluksan!
Candidate number 4 wearing a black silk.
Asi bu namin.
Candidate, po yung bulag-bulag.
Bulag ka dyan.
Candidate number 4.
Ay, kit magkati.
Calle Carino. Marson.
Marson daw.
Marshem.
Tali uzi, chulong ta rampa-rampa.
Number 4, Yakay, next to LS.
Mabutar pa o.
Candidate number 4. What happened in our situations, in our struggles, that what we happen in our life, we just always be present, focus in ourselves. Acceptance is to be the truly free. Thank you. This is, should I say, Tamira Willis. This is from Manila.
Talia, yan si Sira.
Ibangga yan! Ibangga na! Ibakrown na! Lord ng God!
Ready ang mga ano,
Kandidato.
Uy, 6 na.